Oh yeah. No.
You fat bitch!
I did not mean to put that on, so that's what you had.
Hey Tubby, don't touch the game ever again.
What did you say?
I said just ready up.
Yo, did I say y'all could be fucking black in my presence?
What? What does that even mean?
I don't. No black in my presence.
What the? I have that.
Fuck another one.
Why are you gliding? Why are you gliding?
Come here! I got always lagging.
I'm always lagging because I got Xfinity Wi-Fi, bro.
No. We are.
What?
Goodbye. Wow. Wow, I just got off the car.
Alright, go.
We just did the same.
Yo, leave me alone. Yo, leave me alone.
Are you serious right now, bro?
Yo, I'm gonna kill my mom.
Yo.
Oh shit, help!
I just got one time.
Close the door! Close the door! What are you doing?
In the screen, sir. You're anonymous like your father.
Look, that shit look.
What's that about?
What's up with your hair, bro? What's up with your
What's
hair?
that about? Among Us?
Yeah, Among Us.
That's not about anonymous. Right, this nigga hiding behind him. I don't even know what the hell that is. Like he a ninja or something. Come out the shadows, nigga.
Nobody's a ninja. Fruit ninja. Yeah.
Right, a fruit ninja. Fruity ass nigga. At that.
Yeah, fruity ass, gay ass. Your mouth is open.
No, word.
Holy chopped it.
Yo, what flavor is that?
Chop McGee.
What flavor is that?
Banana coconut.
Banana?
Nigger.
No. Side is the right side.
The one near the kitchen, or wherever you shut the door.
He's inside of my room.
How?
I swear to God, I don't know.
Did you die?
What the fuck?
Did you die?
Yep, I'm dead, bro. Jesus.
Well, why y'all
She's
be
the one on
seeing
the
the
bottom.
one on the top? Why y'all can't see? Oh, that girl with the brown hair.
'Cause we can't
The
see
girl
her.
with the nose piercing.
We can't
That
see
don't
her.
look brown.
Oh,
What the
dude.
fuck? Run here. Like I said,
Nah,
LeBron.
you can't jump in.
Like
there.
I said, LeBron. Like I said, LeBron.
Nah, I don't care. All of my nope. I don't even want to fight y'all no more. What the? Come on, how are there balloons?
Wait, let me see. That shit don't work, bro. Where the bro that shit don't work? Oh shit, yeah dude, nigga. Greg, what's the
Yes, I know what
freakiest
the
thing you
fuck
ever
is
done?
The freakiest thing I've ever done?
I eat my own nut.
Greg, how many chromosomes do you have?
Like so much.
Greg got a good like 3.5. Greg got some.
Devin, stop hitting me, please.
Watch out, kill you.
Stop, Gavin.
Why
Gavin.
can I kill you? Avery!
What the fuck?
No, sorry!
Get away!
Hey, how are you?
You for real, Avery? You for real brought him back?
Yes, I brought him back. So Stop! Chill.
It's how me is, they automatically. Yeah, be quiet. Why? I would hear you out.
What's that? No, what's that?
Oh my god.
Nothing to see here. What happened? What happened? Leave me alone.
Yo, give me that fucking swirly. How do I buy it? Wait, how do I buy it? How do I buy it? How do I buy it?
No, put it back in there.
Oh, okay.
Put it in there.
Yep. Yo, Kevin, by the way, I don't know if you know, but I put you on a few days ago.
Yeah, but fucking man, not that.
You know, what's your name? I put you on with,